Hello kids, today we are going to learn ABC and trace the ABC alphabet. So let's start. A for apple, A for ant, A for apple. Okay. B for ball, B for ball, B for bat. C for cat. Okay, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. D for doctor, D for doctor. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for frog, F for frog. G for guitar, G for guitar. Okay. H for horse, H for horse. H for house, H for house. I for ink, I for ink. J for jacket, J for jug. K for kite, K for kite. K for king, K for king. For lemon, L for lemon. M for moon, M for moon. And M for moon. N for nose, N for nose. N for nest. O for orange, O for orange. P for peacock, P for peacock. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rainbow, R for rainbow. R for rocket. S for sun, S for sun. S for sun. T for turtle, T for turtle. For umbrella, U for umbrella. U for unicorn. V for van, V for van. W for watermelon, W for whale. W for window, W for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Y for yoga, Y for
Wow!
Y for yak, Y for yak. Y for yacht. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video.